Alright, this is my new desk-based vise. This is great for when I have to work on some stuff that requires, banging, bending, prying, whatnot. It's pretty cool. It's small size, so it works nice on my bench while not taking up too much room. It has the obvious vise attachment, which, that's what it's going to spend 99% of its life using. But you undo this screw down here, and once you loosen that up, you'll see that moves. Just fully extend it. The shaft comes out, that comes off, and you have this screw here, which you use. And once you take that off, you can then connect the circular vise, which is great for holding tools, such as like drills and stuff. So use it like a drill press. It easily clamps onto the desk, or in this case, table surface. And it's got a nice scratch-proof, slip-proof pad, so my wife doesn't kill me for using it on the table. And that's all there is to it. You just lock it in place. This is how you adjust. Let me put it back together here. And that's all it takes to put it back together. And then you would tighten up the screw underneath. This lever adjusts the tension on the ball, allowing you to put it to whatever position you need it to be in, so that you can hold your materials exactly where you need them. Once locked in place, it'll hold it very firm, very steady. And it works better if you remember which way to turn it to tighten it. And now that's not going anywhere. Again, works really great with the circular piece for making basically a drill press. It did come with a pair of work gloves, and it came with the multi-tool for changing the adjustments. It's lightweight, but very sturdy. And you can see, it's going to move the table before it moves. It keeps my stuff nice and tight. And I really like how it has these damage-proof jaws that are rubberized, so they hold your stuff really well without scratching it all up. That's all there is to it.